Welcome back to Getting Started with MTA Web Services. This video will help you search and add courses to your schedule, which allows you to easily register for courses you select. Adding to the schedule does not register you for your courses. Rather, it allows you to assemble a short list of courses that you're considering but may not be entirely decided on. Creating this list is the first step in registering for your courses. Sign in to your self-service. Click on the left panel. Under Academic, select Course Catalog, then Advanced Search. Here, select your preferred term and subject. You do not have to click on any other search fields on this page. In fact, we advise against it. This way, your search results will also pull up any mandatory labs or tutorials associated with this course. Once you have filled out the appropriate fields, click Search at the bottom of the page. You'll see a list of all the courses matching your given criteria on this page. Any course with a number beginning as 1 is a first-year course, 2 will be listed as a second-year course, and so on. Now at the left-hand side, you can filter your results such as selecting your preferred course level. Once you identify a course you would like to select for registration, choose View Available Section. Some courses may offer multiple sections indicated by the letter A, B. These sections may differ in time, location, instructors, but are otherwise the same. From here, select the section that works best for your schedule. You can click on COM 2201A in blue for details such as meeting information, course instructor, course description, prerequisite, co-requisite, and availability. Pay close attention to the meeting days and times to avoid scheduling conflicts. Unscheduled courses will have times listed as TBD. The location field indicates the delivery method of the course. Please ensure you're looking at specific locations associated with the offered section. Register for only one section of a course. From here, select the section that works best for you by clicking on the blue button, Add Section to Schedule. Congratulations, you have placed COM 2201 on the schedule. Alternatively, you can also directly search for the course through the search bar at the top right of the page. Please note that you should only use this option if you are certain about the course code. Also note that if there is no View Available section listed, that means the course is not offered during this term. Lastly, you can also search for courses through the Subject Search option. Under Academics, click on Course Catalog. Here, you can click on any of the subjects or type in a subject. This will generate a list of all the courses offered by the department. Now you know how to search for a course and place it on your schedule. Please watch the next videos in the series for more services provided through your student network account.